So, good afternoon, students. So, today we have to continue some examples on logarithmic differentiation. That is, first one is if y is equal to, if x raised to x is equal to y raised to y, find dy by dx. So, it's simple example. So, the given expression is x raised to x is equal to y raised to y. So, now when you take logarithm on both sides, it will be easily simplified. So that's why I will taking logarithm on both sides. Take log on both sides. So log of x raised to x is equal to log of y raised to y. That is, what is log x raised to x? We can apply the theorem logarithm of m raised to n is n log m. That is, log x raised to x become x log x. Log y raised to y become y log y. Now, it is now simplest form, so we can differentiate this log. We can differentiate with respect to x. So we get the answer. So differentiating with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. So now what is derivative of x log x? That is, we can differentiate this by what? Product rule. Product rule implies that the first variable x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus second variable log x into derivative of first variable x is 1. Like this on RHS side, also we apply the product rule. Here what is the first variable? Y, keep as it is. Into derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. Derivative of log 1 by y and derivative of y dy by dx. Plus second variable log y into derivative of y is dy by dx. So now what happened? This y get cancelled here and here x get cancelled. Now here only one dy by dx is there. Keep on RHS only. So remaining term take to LHS. So here 1 into 1 is plus log x into 1 is log x is equal to 1 into dy by dx is dy by dx. I will take common that 1 plus log y. In that dy by dx, here dy by dx I will take common. So 1 plus log y. So now the answer is 1 plus log x and here 1 plus log y. Take to LHS. It becomes denominator. So that dy by dx is equal to 1 plus log x divided by 1 plus log y. This is the required answer. The dy by x is 1 plus log x by 1 plus log y. It's very important example. Actually, for CET purpose, this is very important example. I think you took the notes. Can I erase this? So go for the another example. That is if y is equal to if y is equal to sin x into sin 3x into sin 5x into sin 7x. So find dy by x at x equal to pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2. So here also there is one more important application of logarithm differentiation is, so using the logarithm we can reduce the product of many functions. So that is equal to what? Log m plus log n plus log p and so on. So this is the very helpful property of logarithm. Log m into n into p is equal to log m plus log n plus log p plus so on. So if product of many of the function here, so log of this product is equal to simplest form. This will convert to sum. Log m plus log n plus log p plus 1. So here also it is same like sin x, sin 3x, sin 5x, sin 5, 7x. It is a product of four functions. So we have take logarithm on both sides only. Then only it can be easily simplified. Once again, I will write given y is equal to sin x, sin 3x, sin 5x into sin 7x. So first we take logarithm on both sides. Taking log on both sides. So then what log y is equal to log of, that is sin x, sin 3x, sin 5x, sin 7x. So log y is equal to log sin x, sin 3x, sin 5 product is there, so it convert to sum. Log sin x plus log sin 3x plus log sin 5x plus log sin 7x. So now after this it's simplest form, so we differentiating with respect to x. So the derivative of log y with respect to x become 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of log sin x. First we do derivative of log, that is 1 by x power here sin x. So this is derivative of log, then derivative of sin x is cos x plus like this. Here derivative of log is 1 by x means sin 3x into derivative of sin 3x is first we derivative of sin, that is cos 3x, then find derivative of 3x is 3 plus same log sin 5x is 1 by sin 5x into derivative of sin 5x is first cos 5x into derivative of 5x is 5 plus 1 by sin 7x into derivative of sin 5x, 7x is cos 7x into 7. So it become dy by dx is equal to y into bracket. See this cos by sin x is cot x plus 3 cos x by sin cos 3x by sin 3x is cot 3x plus 5 cot 5x plus 7 cot 7x is like this. Now we have to substitute. This is the dy by dx. When you put y, this given. This is the dy by dx. Now we substitute the x equal to pi by 2. So first put x equal to pi by 2 in the given expression, we get y. We have y is equal to sin x sin 3x sin 7x, sorry 5x sin 7x. So x equal to pi by 2. So x equal to pi by 2 means sin pi by 2 sin 3 pi by 2 sin 5 pi by 2 sin 7 pi by 2. So y is equal to, what is sin pi by 2? That is 1. Sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. You know this here, trigonometry. Here sin pi by 2 1. Here sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1. And 5 pi by 2 comes here only. 5 pi by 2. This is 5 pi by 2 and 7 pi by 2 here. So sin 5 pi by 2 is 1 Sine minus 7 power 2 minus 1. So it becomes 1. This is the value of y. Now what is cot? Cot pi by 2. You see, there is, cot pi by 2 is equal to sine pi by 2 divided by, sorry, cos pi by 2 divided by sine pi by 2. So cot pi by 2 is cot pi by 2 0, sine pi by 2 1. So it is 0. That is cot x is 0. Then cot 3x, that is what 3 pi by 2. Again it is 0 only. Here cot is 0 because here cos, what is value of cos here 0. Here also cos is 0. What is cot? Cos by sine. 0 by 1 0 and 0 minus 1 is 0. So the cot x is 0. This cot 3x is also 0. Cot pi x 0. Cot 7x 0. Substitute these values now. The y value is 1 and this cot x is 0. This 3 into 0 becomes 0. 5 into 0 0. 7 into 0 0. So 1 into 0 is 0. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to 1 into 0 is equal to 0. This is the value of dy by dx. Can I erase this? Next is if y equal to 1 plus x square 1 plus x is to 4 1 plus x is to 6 on 1 plus x is to 100 at x equals 0. So find dy by dx. Find dy by dx at x equal to 0. So here also it is product of 50 functions. So take logarithm on both sides. Take log on both sides. That is log y is equal to log of 1 plus x square 1 plus x is to 4 1 plus x is to 6 on 1 plus x is to 100. That is log y is equal to log, it become now product noted to sum. Log 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus x is to 4 plus log of 1 plus x is to 6 plus 1 plus log of 1 plus x is to 100. So now we differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of log y with respect to x is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of 1 log 1 plus x square. First we define derivative of log 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of x square is 2x plus 1 by 1 plus x is to 4 into derivative of x is to 4 is 4x cubed plus 1 by 1 plus x is to 6 derivative of x is to 6 6x is to 5 plus 1 plus and this derivative 1 by 1 plus x is to 100 into 100 x is to 99. So now we want dy by dx. Huh? So now what dy by dx is equal to y into bracket. This y become numerator in RHS. So 2x by 1 plus x square plus 4 by 1 plus x is to 4 plus 6 x is to 5 by 1 plus x is to 6 plus on plus 100 x is to 99 divided by 1 plus x is to 100. So now here given x equal to 0. So suppose in y first put x equal to 0 in equation number 1, that is in y. In y equal to 1 plus x square, 1 plus x is to 4, so on 1 plus x is to 100. When you put x equal to 0, what happens is 1 plus 0, 1. This is also 1 plus 0, 1. So on 1. Product of 1 n times also 1. Then y is equal to 1 now. So here we put x equal to 0. Now see d by x what happened? 1 into, that is 2 into 0 0. By anything is 0 plus this also 0 plus 1 plus 0. So sum of 0 0, 0 into 1 is 0. This is the d power x. What is d power x is 0. Can I clear this? Can I read the board? The next example is if x equal to, if x equal to 2 raised to 2 raised to y plus 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 on to infinity to find d power x. How to get this answer? I saw this type of examples. So once again, see, now we can write, this can be written as that is x equal to 2 raised to y plus, see, again it is 2 raised to y plus same 2 raised to y plus 2 raised to y means that is x again. So this is x is equal to 2 raised to y plus x. Just substitute the x value. What is x value? 2 raised to y plus 2 raised to y plus 1 to infinity. So x is equal to 2 raised to y plus x. This can be right, x equal to 2 raised to y plus x. So here this see variable y and x are variable, so they are in index form. So again required is logarithm. So taking log on both sides. So that is log of x is equal to log 2 raised to y plus x. So 2 raised to y plus x is equal to y plus x into log 2. 2 raised to y plus x is n log m y plus x log 2. So this is simplest form. So we differentiate now. Differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of log x is 1 by x is equal to, now how to find derivative of y plus x log 2? We can apply the product rule. Y plus x first variable into derivative of log 2. Log 2 derivative is, what derivative of log 2? Anybody can give answer. Log 2 derivative is, it is 0 because log 2 is constant, plus second variable log 2 into derivative of y plus x. Derivative of y divided by dx plus derivative of x is 1. So this is become now 1 by x is equal to 0 into y plus x, 0 into log 2 into bracket divided by dx plus 1. So here what is divided by x plus 1? So divided by dx plus 1 is equal to, this is in keep in RHS only. This log 2 take to LHS. So it become 1 divided by x log 2. This is the divided by x plus 1. Suppose if asked dy by dx, huh? Now what is dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by x log 2. This one is minus 1. This plus 1 take to RS is minus 1. Further we can simplify as x log 2 is LCM. Therefore 1 minus this x log 2 multiplied by x log 2. So this is the dy by dx. So it may be asked dy by dx plus 1 for CET. Dy by dx plus 1 may be asked, right? Dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 1 by x log 2. Maybe the question arises, it can be given value x equal to something, find dy by dx at x equal to 1, or find dy by dx equal to like this, right? So take another one. So another example is if x is to 5 into y raised to 11 is equal to x plus y raised to 16, then what is dy by dx? Anybody can? Y by x. Very good. Dy by dx is y by x. So now here we have to find dy by dx at x equal to 1. So what is dy by dx at x equal to 1? Dy by dx at x equal to 1 is dy by dx at x equal to 1. So what is the value of dy by dx at x equal to 1? So dy by dx is y by x. Then put x equal to 1. If x equal to 1, then what is y? Put x equal to 1, we have to solve y. See, x equal to 1 means this is 1, y raised to 11 is equal to 1 plus y raised to 16. Sorry, not this much. X equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Find dy by x at x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So only at x equal to 1, this cannot be simplified. Sorry. So here given is x is to 5, y raised to 11 is equal to x plus y raised to 16. How to solve this? So taking logarithm on both sides. This can also be differentiated directly. If you take logarithm, it becomes easier. So log of x is to 5 y raised to 11 is equal to log x plus y raised to 16. Now log x is to 5 y raised to 11 is how much? Log m into n. So log x is to 5 plus log y raised to 11 is equal to, this is of the form log 16 raised to log x is to n. This is equal to n means 16 log x plus y. Now what is log x is to 5? It is equal to 5 log x, this is 11 log y, and this is 16 log x plus y. So now we differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x. So what is derivative of 5 log x? 5 into derivative of log x 1 by x plus 11 into derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 16 into derivative of log x plus y is 1 divided by x plus y into bracket 1 plus d by dx. So this is here like this 5 derivative log 1 by x plus 11 derivative log is 1 by y into derivative of y divided by x 16 derivative log 1 by x means x plus y into derivative of x plus y 1 plus divided by x. This simplify 1 step 5 by x plus 11 by y divided by dx is equal to 16 by x plus y. The 16 by x plus y multiplied to 1. This 16 by x plus y multiplied to 1 is, we get same 16 by x plus y. Also the same, this one multiplied to dy by x. That is 16 by x plus y into dy by x. So here dy by x is there 2 times. Take to LHS. That is 11 by y minus 11 by y. This become minus 16 by x plus y. In that dy by x is common. Is equal to what? 16 by x plus y. If there is LHS, this 5 by x take to LHS. LHS, it is minus 5 by x. So here now I take LCM. What LCM is? Y into x plus y. So this x plus y multiplied to 11. 11x plus 11y minus 16y into divided by x is equal to here what is LCM? X plus y into x. So this x multiplied to 16. 16x minus 5 multiplied to x plus 5. That is 5x minus into plus minus, that is 5y. Then now this x plus y get cancelled on both sides. Then 11x, 11x. This is the 11y minus 16y is minus how much? 5 minus 5y divided by y into dy by x is equal to 16x minus 5x is 11x minus 5y divided by x. Okay. This is the 11x minus 5y take to RHS. LHS, it become denominator. It become here and denominator, and y become numerator. So it means this get cancelled. So now what is dy by x is the y become numerator, y by x. So here given that y value is 2 and x value is 1, so it is 2 by 1 is 2. This is dy by x. So in the previous class, I will given one formula, that is x is to m, y is to n is equal to x plus y is to m plus n. So dy by dx is always equal to y by x. Remember this is very important. Okay. So one more example we are going to solve. That is if y is equal to x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to n, find dy by x. It's very simple example. Y is equal to x plus root of x 1 plus x square raised to n, find dy by x. See, the given is y is equal to x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to n. So here log is not necessary because raised to n, it is n is some number, real number. So here not, it is not variable. So logarithm is not necessary. We can differentiate directly. Differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to. First we have to remove this power. So for that we apply the derivative of x to n. So derivative of x to n is n x to n minus 1. So according to this formula, it becomes n into x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to n minus 1. This is we are differentiate this power. Now we are differentiate this, multiply derivative of this one. What derivative of x is 1 plus, here what, first square root function is there, then 1 plus x square is there. First derivative of square root function, 1 divided by 2 root x. Derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. So this is the derivative of root x function. Now, what is derivative of 1 plus x square? That is 0 plus 2x is 2x. These two get cancelled. Then now what, dy by x is equal to n into x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to n minus 1 into, here I will take LCM, root 1 plus x square. This multiplied to 1, root of 1 plus x square plus x. Now, so dy by dx is equal to n into x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to n minus 1. One more step I will do, that is x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to 1, this numerator is separator, divided by denominator is what, root of 1 plus x square. So in numerator it is of the form, that is, this is the, you see this one same, base is same, so we can apply this a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So this will now dy by dx is equal to n into bracket x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to n minus 1 plus 1. So n minus 1 plus 1 is n divided by square root of 1 plus x square. So now what, dy by dx is equal to n into x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to n divided by root 1 plus x square. So observe the given, x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to n is that nothing but y, that is given. See, x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to n is y. It is given. I substituted here. This is n into y divided by square root of 1 plus x square. This is answer. N into y divided by root of 1 plus x square. This is the dy by dx. Is also very important for CET. What is standard examples? Here maybe ask for CET, if you will ask root of 1 plus x square dy by dx. What will be the value of root 1 plus x square divided by x, that is equal to ny. Like this will ask, what is the value of root of 1 plus x square into divided by x, that is equal to ny. So to using comparing with this standard examples, we can solve many examples. That is y equal to x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to 9. So what is the value of root 1 plus x square into divided by x? That is simple 9y. Right? Suppose y equal to another x plus square root of 1 plus x square raised to 3. Then what will you ask question? What is the value of root of 1 plus x square into divided by x? That is 3y. So like this. This is also very important example for CET. Very standard example. Right? So next, in the next class, we have to see the examples on parametric differentiations. Okay, thank you.